Hi everyone. Guys, we are in Ringleaders and today we are going to start a discussion. In this discussion, we simply want each one of you to place your opinion over a topic: online or offline jobs. Online or offline jobs means jobs at the field or work from home. Which one is the better option? And how one can grow himself in the terms of finance, in the terms of other aspects. So who would like to start first? Muskan. Let's begin from Muskan, guys.
Jobs, be it online or offline. We have seen that both kind of jobs having their own kind of advantages and disadvantages. But we have to understand that which one is more favorable. We have seen that at personal and practical level, we can analyze that jobs which we are doing on the field are much in our favor, because those jobs teach us a lot of stuff. Because when we go out of our house, we see that how people are communicating with each other, how to interact with other people. Then we have the time to travel also. So there are time which we are spending with ourselves also, and we are giving us our time to the stuff which is very much necessary. Because if you are doing the online job, which is work from home, so at that point of time you get a lot of personal stuff, you get distracted easily, and that is like what you want your outcomes to come, that are not in the much favorable conditions. You get a lot of negative consequences, and this is why I believe that offline jobs are much better than online jobs.
Okay. Life is all about experiences, and we have to gather experience from everywhere. I believe that offline job is much better than the online jobs, because in offline jobs you will face many problems. You have to find the solutions, and you will explore many things even as well as. So that's the one of the best part, because if your life will be going plain in online job, so you won't learn that much thing which you can learn in the offline job. So that's why I believe that offline job is much better. And in online jobs, we know that as Muskandi said, that we are having our personal stuff, and we can easily get distracted. And even when the person is living for a long period of time in a room, they generally get depressed and they don't feel like doing something. So I believe that offline jobs are much better than online jobs.
So basically, guys, you are all supporting the offline jobs. Means the main point is that they are getting experience, right? They would not get distracted. But if experience is just called 9 to 5 jobs, if experience is just that having some resentment, discords, and even a lot of ambiguity, work pressure in the workplace, then for sure I would not call it exploration. For sure this is something that would pressurized under the workplace. Here I want to say that the online jobs is far better than offline one, because who is saying that you would get depressed only? So means the person who is doing or who are into the offline jobs, they are not depressed. For sure they would be more depressed than the online, because in online job you are getting personal time, you are getting time for your society, your family, your friends, and even for your career. You can do several aspects. Means work from home is one of the work, but with this you can also add one more thing, also add one more need in your work. So whether it's about everything or anything, the online jobs are far better than the offline jobs.
I must believe that Anudri is saying very right points, because I also follow of online jobs are better than offline jobs. Why? If you consider your physical health is responsible for, it will be affected. So in COVID-19, many people were unemployed, right? But still they were working from their home and they were fit. Why? Because they were health conscious. They were exercising at their home only. This was the reason that health was not affected. Next thing is that we all talked about experience. I must say that in particular online jobs, we also get a lot of experiences. We interact with people, you will say, in offline jobs. But what about interacting with family? There is a says that we fight for outside, but we are already failed in our own world. We are already failed to make better relations with our family. So in our online, we will get much time to spend with our family, or we will learn that how to be motivated every time.
So as Vivek mentioned about the online work is more better, but you know how many of you went to the railway stations and metro station? You can find a huge crowd are going from the on the one sided and another sided. That was the timing issue. So 9 to 5 workers are having a hectic schedule and they have to follow it rigorously. And talking about work from home, most of us thinking that a person is doing work from at home only. But you know, I find a person who is like adventure lovers and he just go here and there and visit hills stations and all the stuff, and he just fulfilling his all the things by work from home, doing work in Google. So this is a better option. So how can you say that it is a depressed work? I can say that in corporate sector we can easily find a regular job worker how find the work culture toxic. So talking about work from home is far better than, because earning is all about to nurture your month, and if you are getting a paid, then what's the problem in work from home?
Okay, first of all, we need to understand that what is the meaning of job, doing something for the company by which you get your salary, right? Now, whether you do from online or you're offline, you have to do the same work. Now, here I will support that offline work because very first thing is that learning, second experience, third the bonding which you create with other employees are the main point of offline, because in online you are not able to get a bonding, you are just sitting alone. Now you only say that I feel lonely, I don't have anyone, so this can be the one reason that why you are. Now if you are sitting online doing 9 to 5 same job which an offline person is doing, then why don't you start a business? Like it will be more profitable for you to start a business doing the same work for other day. Now I think that offline jobs are preferable.
Okay, how many of you have gone through with pandemic? Can you please raise your hands? And how many of you are supporting offline jobs? Okay, so the very first thing we need to understand is that this is not a topic of our studies, it is a topic of our jobs. It is a topic related to the money, and if you are talking about money, from where you are working, it's more beneficial for them, how much profit and the revenue that you are generating from them. It's not related to us. Okay, very first thing. And second thing is that how many of you knows about the company named as HCL? HCL. It is a company who's having more than 2 lakhs employees within their own self, and it is not a limited amount. And you know, the revenue that they have generated in pandemic, it is far better than today's offline job that they are doing. Why so? Because the time that they have saved by going to the office, by coming to them, they are covered at that particular point of the time by sitting at their homes. They have generated more revenue for the companies, even though the incentives that companies give them right now, it is not that much profitable that they are generating at that point of the time when they were doing the work at their homes. Okay, now we need to understand it is our place where we are talking with each other very nicely. If you are going to the corporate job, you are not going to get the environment that you are getting right now. You need to understand is that you are going there just for the money. You are not going to make an environment. That is also a topic named as offline job and online job. In the business studies, offline job we can do it. Recruitment, how many of you knows about recruitment? You can recruit it from your homes as well. In the pandemic as well, there are multiples of the company who recruited more employees by sitting at their own chair, because they know the requirement and the resources that they are having. That's why I would say that we need to understand what is the requirement of the jobs. Then we can understand which is better than us, which is better for us, offline job and online job. That's it.
You guys all gave your opinions about online job and online job. But what I feel about the online jobs, both the jobs have its own advantages and disadvantages. If imagine you are doing a job in your while traveling, you are doing your job 4 to 5 hours a day. After that, you are traveling where you wanted to. And imagine doing a job in a society where all the people whom you are surrounded by are doing the same quality of job that you are doing. So what I feel is And let's move on to our disadvantages. Online job has its own disadvantages. Imagine you are at the peak of Uttarakhand, where there is no sense of network are there. Network issues are the point where the online jobs can lack in. You can't complete your presentations. You will can't have the connections with your employees or your teammates. And if you talk about offline jobs, you are fed up with that particular work that you are doing. You are constantly doing a particular task without having any rest, without having quality time with your family, friends, and so on. So that's what I felt.
So I support offline jobs because offline jobs are far better than online jobs, because not every job can be done from the home only. We need to go outside for work. Like, job is the necessity of the people. We want to earn money, and if you want to do something, you have to put yourself physically also, not only mentally, emotionally, physically also. I understand the point of family, but we have to do this for our family only. Like, when we want to earn, when we want to do something, we have to do this. And I want to say this, the thing of recruitment, that job can be done offline as well as online also, but not every job can be done online, and maximum jobs can be done offline only. So I support offline jobs because we go outside, we see the people, we are able to connect with different people, we can know the different mindset, and sometimes we get inspired with different people and we want to achieve their position. So offline jobs are far better than online jobs.
So I agree with you. Offline jobs are more better than online jobs, because there's a point when you have to learn something, so you go outside of your home. You can't learn everything at your home. You go to school, you go to institute to get trained. So same like that, same. If you are going outside to do offline job, so you want that kind of atmosphere from where you can motivate, you can get motivated from with that, and you can success in your life. And to do work, I think there is a need an atmosphere with in home. When you are doing offline job, it's very difficult for housewife. She will check her laptop, or she will go in the kitchen. She will look after their children's, or there will lots of do. It would become very hectic for her. Not be possible. If offline job is only for 3 or 4 hours, so it will be possible for a worker with manage with the home. She can do, or other person, if a man is doing household chores, so it would be possible. But all the time you are thinking for your better relation with family members, with your jobs and all the things, it would be not possible at home. So you have to, if you want better condition, you want good atmosphere, so you should go out for offline job.
Okay, if we see everyone's opinion, so there most of the opinions was just like that online jobs are more better, because that save times of traveling, or some gives benefits to the company. But if we see at a personal level, as a personal employee, so I find because of my experience, because of my every learning, I find that offline jobs are more better, because of the 3 main reasons. First is timing of the work. See, this is India, so there is not always 9 to 5 jobs. It's always 9 to 8, 9 to 9, 9 to 7, okay, because of the toxic corporate culture. But still there is a boundary in offline job. If we talk about online job, as my personal experience in my relatives, so online jobs don't have any particular boundary of time to work. Okay, they just keep on giving work. I saw many people working in the night. Third, if we talk about, then there are some habits of a good learner. And I will not tell every habit, but 5th habit is just come out of your comfort zone. So when you go in office, when you meet people, when you meet your like senior, when you meet your junior, even give presentation to the other clients, so that plays an important role in your personal growth. Okay, and third, which is very important, that promotions and other stuff. How you are going to build a relation with a particular company, because company is just not a place to earn money. This is a place where you are going to improve yourself. Everyone knows that we have 4 lives, and that we have got a professional life as well. Okay, just take an example of big business tycoon like Elon Musk, Ratan Tata sir. So all these personalities have good relation with their employees. That's why their productivity is very high. So these all 3 reasons are main reason that I find offline jobs are better than online jobs.
Okay, Kunal, I want to ask a question. As you are saying, offline jobs are much better. But to work in a company, you have to first reach there, right? And in that particular time, that transportation cost, and you can say like how much far it is. So all these things are considered in offline jobs. But if we talk about online, then there is nothing like that. You don't have to pay anything in traveling. You just have to like open your computer and you have to start working. So I want to ask that how you will manage all these things in offline job, because if you don't have any personal vehicle or that your company is too far.
I just want to say that when we talk about many big personalities or at a good level, then again talking about transportation fees is just a very low thing, what I find. But still would like to give an answer. See, whenever we are talking about this transportation, we all read books for our personal improvement. Why we spend 200, 300, 100 rupees on the book? Because we know it's our for improvement. If you are an ordinary Indian guy who is doing a job, just going in metro with the same bag, having that same routine, you will not improve. Okay, go with online job. But if you are a person who wants to experience, wants to talk to people, who wants to have some new experiences, wants to see new places, because we all know that a person who stays in the home have many depression rates than a person who go out. Okay, so all these things you experience in offline jobs. Okay, the transportation, knowing about other people, how you will get the experience of how to transport in the public transport if there is a problem, how to whom we have to talk if there is a problem. So all these experience comes in offline.
I want somebody to conclude it.
As we got a lot of opinions about online and offline jobs and got to know much favorable points about offline and online jobs. So the thing is that it depends person to person. Whatever the opportunities you are getting in your life, you have to accept it and go with the flow. You have to explore a lot of stuff, because we have seen that if we are doing online jobs, so we are getting points like that we can be health conscious, we can spend time with family, we can do work according to our personal choice. And if we talk about offline jobs, so we can communicate with people, we can get a lot of experiences, and then we get to work with different mindsets. So it depends that how you choose that what kind of work we should do, online or offline.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.